Hello everyone, welcome to Knowledge Extension. So today we will see how to get the list of different places or city and get the latitude and longitude of corresponding places. So let's start with the new project. Select the empty activity and add the project name here and click on the finish. There are some requirement in our project that we need to add the places on edit text. When we type on the edit text, we need to get the list of that places or cities. So in that kind of projects, this video will help you to achieve that functionality. So this is our main activity and this is our XML file. So first of all, we need to add a permission, that is internet permission. So just add this line in your manifest file, that is uses permission, and select the internet permission. Okay, now another thing is we need some libraries, some dependencies to add in our project. So open the Gradle file of your project and add the dependency over here. I have some dependencies and I will provide it in the description, so you will get that dependency easily, and you need to add this on your project. So here is my dependencies. You need to select and simply paste in your project. And sync your project. After this, we need to create a layout to search the places or cities. That means you need edit text and to show the list of different places according to your search keyword. So you need a recycler view also. So let's create that layout in our main activity XML file. So this is my main activity XML. I'm removing this because we don't need that. We need edit text first. So I'm going to add the edit text from here. You can create your own layout as per your requirement. This is not a fix. Okay, this is for my reference. You can create your own layout by using your own creativity. So I'm going to use this simple edit text and remove this text and replace it with the hint like this. Okay, after that we need a recycler view. I'm changing this ID get location edit text. Also we need to add the ID to recycler view. So I'm setting that a places recycler view. Okay, now initialize this with the main activity. So I'm going to create the object of these both elements. So create the object of edit text and the recycler view like this. Here now I'm binding with the layout. Similarly for the edit text also. Now we need to initialize with the library which we have used, that is place. So use like this, places dot initialize you need to pass the context here. Get resources dot get string. In this string you need to pass the your Google API key for the map. So here I'm going to set the map key which I have already created. So you need to put that key in your string file which is in the values directory. So create a new string, that is a Google map key. You need to get this key from the Google Map APIs, and I already have that key, so I'm simply going to paste it here and use this string in main activity like this. Okay. So guys, this is the important step in our project, that without Google Map key you cannot achieve this functionality. Okay, so after that we need to add the text change listener to our edit text. So whenever we enter the character, each character, it will search for the related locations. Okay, so it will provide the list of locations according to our characters which is present in the edit text. So simply I'm using the text watcher here for my edit text. So whenever I change my character in my edit text, it will return the updated list. Okay, so this is how you can create the text watcher and assign this text watcher to the edit text. Okay, so now we need adapter to return that places, and to achieve that functionality, that is on click and different types of layouts over there. So I have that adapter. I'm simply going to copy this adapter here. I will provide this adapter in the description so you can easily download and use in your activity, in your project. Here you can see the error, that is the layout is missing. So item layout we need to create. Simply you have to create a new layout in your layout resource file like this. Here we need two text views for showing the data related to places. I am changing this layout to the linear layout and setting the orientation to vertical and adding the text view. This is the first text view. I am changing the ID for this. It will shows the exact area of your places, and another text view is to show the particular address. So here I'm assigning the ID like this place address. You can style this as per your requirement. Okay, as you can see, this error is now removed. Okay, so now back to the main activity. We will do the further process. So here you need to assign the adapter. We have that place test adapter. Okay, creating the object of that adapter. Now we need to assign this adapter here. Place adapter is equal to new place adapter, and for the parameter we need to pass the context like this, main activity dot this. Now you need to add the recycler view layout manager. After that, simply you need to assign that adapter to your recycler view. So my recycler view is places recycler view dot set adapter, and here you need to mention that your adapter name, that is a place test adapter. Okay, fine. So now we need to check some conditions. So here some is semicolon is missing here. Okay, so now we need to handle that conditions for the behavior of our list view whenever we enter the characters here. So we need to implement on click listener for the place adapter like this. We need to implement that method. So this method will use whenever we click on our places list, we want to show some data, then this code will be here. So I'm going to create a string that is a lat, will store the latitude information of our places. Places dot get latlong dot latitude. Similarly, we will achieve that for same for the longitude also. So I'm creating the new string that is long for the longitude. You can show this respective data as a toast in your activity. Whenever user click on the list of your particular places, then the respective information will be shown. So I'm just creating a toast here and putting the latitude and longitude data. Now we need to add the on-click listener for our adapter. So this is our adapter, place test adapter dot set on-click listener. This. So here we have done, but there's some error in our place adapter. So let's find out what is it. So our root layout is missing. We haven't mentioned that root layout ID, so we need to mention it. So this is our layout, and here we need to add the root layout ID. Okay, fine. So we have done with all the required functionality. So now just run this code and check whether it's work or not. So this is our edit text. I'm going to search here. So as you can see, the data is representing here, but only single value is showing here. As you can see, I'm searching for the city, but it's showing only single value. This is because our item layout occupying whole screen. So I am changing this height to wrap content and again run this project. So as you can see, we got the list of different places as per our search character. If you want to get the latitude and longitude and show in your project, then we need to add the text view over here. So let's do some changes for the getting the latitude and longitude. Click on this list item. Okay, so let's change some code here. We need to add one text view here. I'm adding this text view above the edit text, so it is easy to show that the latitude and longitude is changing by clicking the list items, means clicking the cities. Okay, so mention the ID here. Similarly, we have to assign this text view, declare this text view in the main activity. We need to set the latitude and longitude to our text view. We have already getting that latitude and longitude in our string, so we just put that string data here. Now we'll check for the new update. Okay, first we need to search some cities over here. Okay, by clicking, as you can see, we get the latitude and longitude. So try with the different cities. I'm changing that city, so that latitude and longitude get changed. So guys, we have successfully achieved that getting the places list. I hope this is very helpful for you. If you like this video, then please subscribe this channel and share this video. For more video, please subscribe this channel. Thank you guys, thank you so much.